In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Swyftx. Since Swyftx is only available in certain countries and not mine, I can create an account myself. However, I've done my research, so listen carefully as I explain the steps if we have a full access in here. So first, make sure you are on the swyftx.com and make sure it's official website and log in your account in here. And if required, complete two-factor authentication or T2FA for added security. So now, assumingly we access the main interface of Swyftx, once logged in, navigate the deposit section in the dashboard and then choose your preferred deposit method. So it could be bank transfer, POL-I payments, cryptocurrency deposits. Now, if depositing via bank transfer, enter your bank account details and the deposit amount. And if you're using a POL-I payments, follow the on-screen instruction to complete the transfer. And then if you're using a crypto deposit, send funds from an external wallets. And then after that, double check the details to avoid errors and click confirm deposit and wait for the funds to be processed. So if you're into a bank transfer and POL-I payments, it usually takes a few minutes to a few hours depending on the method. And then if you are using a crypto deposits, it may require network confirmation, which can take some times. And after that, once the deposit is processed, check your Swyftx wallet balance under the dashboard, and then if the funds don't appear, refresh your page or check your transaction histories for updates. And that's it. That's how you deposit money in Swyftx. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.